All right. Good morning, guys, and welcome to a new pre-market analysis. I've been busy this week. I've been super busy actually, and I was in the office instead of at home, um, which made it harder for me to do my pre-market analysis. And really, my focus was on my work. So yeah, no pre-market analysis. My trading bit off as well. But yeah, it is what it is. But if we look at this, just I open my charts, and this is the first thing I see is that we got a realignment. And although it was I don't think it will hold that long. It is a good realignment. I'm just gonna mark out first. I'm just gonna mark out everything I see before we do anything at all. Yeah. So this is on the XY, which is the leading chart actually. So it's interesting. So I don't know if we have low time structures marked out. No, we don't. Ah. Oh man. Hey, so in the Netherlands we have like 3 licenses for motorcycles, and I started to do the driving lessons for my big license because I already got the middle one. You got like for small motorcycles, medium ones, and then the big ones, then you get the camera on, so it's more personal, right? And yeah, so I only have one. I did one lesson. I need to do one more, and then I can do the exam. I don't know, do the test because I already got driving motorcycle experience, driving experience. So yeah, but I now have a bit of a cold because I was driving in the rain and yeah, in the wind. So I'll try to not do that, but yeah. Um. All right, so we make it a little bit more clean and visual for myself as well, because that's what it's all about. Make it clean and clear. First, I'll make it clear, then make it clean. All right, so we got that structure going on there. And we now this range from this high down to this low. We already reached into premium pricing, so not really interested in that anymore. We already took up previous daily highs. I think we just tapped above that as well. There we go. Oh, actually, wrong one. Kind of equals. Let's call it equals. Although we're on the 1 hour, so gotta see. 50-minute. There's an area. Not really the cleanest area, but we can take it. I just already tapped into that, so we wanna see higher pricing, of course. Oh, this is actually previous daily high, so that's perfect as well. But yeah, I don't want to get into much detail for the XY because we just want to use it as a reference more, sort of. What is this? This is O1. No, I don't need that. I set shorts from here on Tuesday. Oh, actually, did I do? Wow, I did a analysis on Tuesday. Then I forgot that I was recording, and then I record like 1 hour plus, and then I was like, okay, let's skip that. but we can see that it worked out pretty well. Although there were no longs for me in London. We now get below this. I knew it. I knew it. Let me just clean up. So we had that break, last low that led to a high, never reached back into that. So this is our range we're working with right now. Actually, high, low. I don't know why they're the same color. That's a bit confusing. Means my analysis was not on point, or I was not aware. Or I just used the wrong color. This one, I think that's it. But the thing is that I can remove that structure. Sorry, it's taking some time. Stuff like this. The first thing it's really annoying that this is not blue. So I'm gonna make it blue. So as well. Oh, that went pretty fast. Clean charts is everything. Nothing goes off clean charts. I'd rather have a more unclear chart with that's looking clean than a clean chart that's looking trash. So pretty straightforward. Forward. If you stay high, if you stay low, get some pretty grip there. Still got this intact. Let's move this to the side. Previous weekly high, lows still intact, indicating that we might get that turnaround now. Go. Oh. Turn bullish. There we go. There we go. And go as well. Got the break there. Not the strongest break. We go to the daily, it's probably like a week. Oh yeah, kind of. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. And GU as well. My bad. I want to clean up GU as well. Okay. I mean, GU is still a hate of relationship, so go. 1 to 15. Not interested in this internal anymore. I am interested in that one, but because it's mostly like this, I'll just redraw it. Man, come on. There we go. All right, let's get it done. Let's so these are barely equal, or they're like barely. It was barely liquidity grab, more sort of equal. So there we go. We reached into some green line. I think it's from the high time frame. But I think that might be in the daily probably. Yeah. That's why is that visible on that lower time frame? There we go. Ooh. Let's take that. I'm not sure if that's the one, but let's take that. Hmm. Sorry, it's not much of talk, it's just me analyzing, seeing what's going on. Sometimes it just needs to be like that. And GU there. Just about. A little sweet. See? Little one. Tiny one. Tiny bit of liquidity being taken by price. Daily wise, okay. Let's dive into the structure first. Of course, always work with a script. No, you don't need to. Okay. Key level, bearish structure, blue, dark blue one. Took liquidity. Kind of waiting. Price to get a little bit deeper, maybe. Get into that discount pricing for the yellow range. Until then, this high is not a valid high on the yellow range. As soon as we tap into here, move above or move below, it's a valid high. Ideally, just step in, move up. Then we got a realignment with the yellow and blue structure. So that would be nice. Doesn't matter for us trading though. For our trading, we can see Thursday, strong push to the downside. Let's look at the Forex. No, not Facebook. Forex. Bank holiday, US bank holiday. What? This week. There's nothing left. Oh, here. Oh, it's per week now. Okay. What I thought we got FOMC. I no idea what this is. I probably read it like so many times. Actually, great in the forecast. Level of composite index based on server consumers. There two there are two versions of this data. Consumer spending. Oh, consumer sentiment. Right. Okay. FOMC, ECP. So we get a lot of news. I don't know what to stiff. Google Translate. Sticks in there. Tentative. For now. Okay. Bank of England, 10 a.m. It's also Chinese. Okay. That might have caused some moves, but all right. So we know we are below all lows. So we're looking for a realignment. What does a realignment mean when we are below all lows? Well, it means that if we are below all lows, we're bearish, first of all. And it means that we want to see a bullish structure forming on the lower time frame so we can trade into our premium pricing area. So realignment with the higher time frame structure and liquidity means that we want to see a realignment on the structure sorry, on the low time frames. And that's basically what we got here. You can see that we had this bearish light blue structure. Premium discounts reached every time. We can take that off now. We took a higher time frame liquidity, tapped into a 1 hour demand zone, got that realignment on the lower time frame over there. And from there, we got the realignment on the high time frame on the 1 hour, and that's where we're moving from right now. And we tapped into this demand zone over there. This was the last bit of liquidity. Although we already tapped into that 1 hour PY, I can still see that. I think there's still valid. It's not really that valid, but nonetheless, we get the sweep. Didn't reach back into that 50% yet, so we can use that as well. Because now we did reach back into that 50% of that block. Like that. Pull that across, give it a name, and you have a analysis. 1 hour demand. Here we go. Actually, I need a camera right here. I can also do it on Discord and then put my camera right there. Use your phone as the camera. That's a sick future. That's so smart. Yeah, I like that. Anyway, that 50% there. Tapped into that, so now we can look for turnarounds. This is a strong push to the downside. It seems to be a news push. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, it is. It was definitely in the back of news. See, looking at timing as well. Is it on London? Yeah, okay. Got that realignment. There's nothing to realign here yet. Asia lows is looking like shit. Asia highs is not really looking any better. I think we will be a slow day today. Looking at all the news we have in the afternoon, I don't think London will provide that much. But if anything, you know the drill. We have previous daily highs, previous daily lows, sorry, below. We got Asia low below. We don't have any clear structure to work with on the 50-minute, 5 minutes. A little bit better, got that break there, but other than that, it's still looking like shit because then you still reached back to this low, then it came up, so you got like liquidity over there. Oh, sorry. That matters. So then we wait for this, get that confirmation there, and then I would look for something like that. Looking at that, and the way I explained that is what is below this low, and below this low we have a 50-minute PY. I hope we have a 1 hour. I thought we have a 1 hour as well. Just tap into that. So let's take that 50-minute PY, or let's actually take a little bit more. We don't need to take more. Yeah, just for the understanding of being a demand. So we can take that, pull it across, and classes liquidity. Here, pull that across. And there we go. We have a 50-minute demand zone there. I'm actually not interested in that one. Actually, yes, I am, because it's valid. Keep it to on this side. Know that you reach into discount pricing. So why is it? Because it's in the middle. Let me get my notion up. Get my supply and demand strategy up. Because I think I can look for 1 minute entries below here. See, I'm actually trading so less that I don't even remember things in my strategy on top of my head. yeah, so I can look for lower time frame confirmations, and it's pro trend. So no, it's counter trend still because it's moved to the downside, but it's in a pro trend area. So yeah, it's pro trend. It's not that we're looking to sell here into it. So yeah, for me, EU, longs below Asia low and previous daily lows. Shorts, not really. You got this area. It might provide with a nice entry. For now, I can't see anything of interest. This could be your first early sellers here, but I ideally want to see 5-minute early sellers. Yeah, like there is this area that took out high, but nah, let's keep it clean. I know that's there. I'm not looking to trade from there, so yeah, let's wait for that London swing to be formed. I hope it will be formed below Asia low, previous daily lows, and then take that liquidity ideally as well. Ideally take that liquidity as well, and then get the swing from there. This area is still of interest because of the sweep, because it sits inside the discount pricing. How price is forming right now, don't know yet. We'll see. For GU, I think it's pretty much the same. Yeah, same thing. We got an area below that. We got Asia lows forming like trash. What is that? That's not even Asia low. Asia high is looking good with those equals there. Wait for that to be taken out. And here it's looking a bit better because you get a high, a low, lower high, lower low, bullish break. And then we can look for potential short from that zone. Target the lows. So let's see, we might get an entry there. I'm gonna set an alert. And high time wise, of course, stays pretty much the same as EU. Look for longs. Did we already reach into that discount? I think we did. Doesn't look like it, but we did. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for EU, GU. Internal range liquidity take, and there's more to take. Of course, we have this push, then I pushed it down. So ideally, mark it out as well. Take this low. And then get the move. Other than that, yeah, longs from here are very valid as well. I'm gonna wing this because I know we already tapped into it. So yeah, there we go. And it's so dark outside, man. Come back summer. For EU, I'm not really that big of a fan of the shorts, but for GU, we could definitely look for that. So let's just wait. We got news today, so we might not get a move at all during London. We'll see. Then lining that up with DXY. That would mean long for DXY. That's a long distance before we can look for longs in DXY. Still that same area, still the area above here, which I marked out as well. So I think for EU and GU, if we're gonna look for longs, it would be from the area below. Looking at the higher time frame on DXY. That's my analysis for now. Got two areas on one area on EU. That's this area, or yeah, just below previous daily lows. Then two areas on GU because it's looking a bit cleaner. That's this area, and then this area below here, this one as well. So below the previous daily lows, and ideally in that area below there, below that liquidity. And then for the XY, lining that up, it would be from here. We've got a new daily open gap here, which is still unmitigated, which could cause can be filled as well, and then give the move. So let's see how that goes. There we go. Got that as well. This just a little area of interest. Oh, all right, all right. That's it. That's my analysis. Quick one, bit messy one, but it's quite straightforward if you ask me. So yeah, peace out. Catch you guys in the market. Hope you had a great week. Hope you finished the week strong, and catch you later.